Abu Basir was once in the company of Imam Jafar as-Siddiq when a woman came and said to the Imam, "I have come to ask a question. I am ill. Physicians in Iraq have told me to take liquor. Now I want to know what to do in such circumstances." The Imam asked her, "Why don't you drink what the doctors have prescribed for you?" She replied, "As I am your follower, I shall obey what you say. If you permit me, I shall drink it. If not, I shall keep away from it, so that if I'm asked by the Almighty God on the day of judgment why I did so, I shall reply that I followed the instruction of the Imam of the day." Imam Jafar al-Siddiq turned to Abu Basir and said, "O Abu Basir, did you listen to what this woman has to say? Are you not moved by her faith? In spite of her illness, she is refraining from taking liquor without the Imam's permission." The Imam then turned to the woman and said, "By God, I do not permit you to drink. If you do so, you shall be sorry when your soul reaches your throat, that is at the time of death." So saying, the Imam pointed at her throat and asked her 3 times if she understood what he had said. The woman nodded her head. One of the things which Islam has strongly forbidden is the taking of any intoxicating drink like beer, wine. They are harmful to the body and mind. Under the influence, one loses one's senses and is apt to commit criminal acts. We read of fatal accidents and crimes committed because of drinks. Even trading liquor and sitting in bars where people are drinking are also forbidden in Islam, so that there is no temptation in the way of people taking them. The Quran says, "O believers, intoxicants and games of chance, idols and diving arrows are abominations devised by Satan. Avoid them so that you may prosper. Satan desires to stir up enmity and hatred among you by means of intoxicants and gambling, and to keep you from the remembrance of Allah and from your prayers. Will you not abstain from them?" Quran chapter 5 verses 90 to 91. The above verses from the Quran warns us of the effects of drinking. The first Imam Ali said, "Suppose a drop of liquor is put in a well and from its water the land is irrigated. The grass grows on the land and a sheep grazes there. That sheep then gets mixed in a whole flock of other sheep who have grazed elsewhere. If all the sheep are slaughtered, making it difficult to identify the meat of the sheep who had grazed on a land which was irrigated from the water of the well, then I shall not eat any of that meat." Thus, Imam Ali has emphasized the evil of alcohol. For the sake of our own physical, mental, and spiritual welfare, we should always keep away from drinks.